Oh yeah, that's what I want.
What does this mean?
I'm watching you.
What does this
I'm watching you.
I'm watching you.
I'm watching you.
I'm watching you too.
That means Incredible Hulk. Sit down. That means walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian. What? What is that? That means like I don't know. Like peace. Peace. Ah!
What does this mean?
Peace. Peace on earth.
What does it mean?
Say stop.
What does it mean?
Means stop right there. Double stop.
What does it mean?
That means ha.
Look. Stop right there. You're on the rub.
Aya, aya. No. Sit. Oh, sit down. That means let me see. I didn't see it. That means I'm cute. I'm cutie pie. That means I'm silly.
What does this mean? What does
That means stop.
this mean?
Hurry up. Hurry up. Go, go. Roll over. Roll over.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
Chakarati chop chop. Statue of Liberty.
No, it's the army. The super army.
What?
No.
There's a line for popcorn, you guys. There's a line for popcorn.
What does this mean?
That means Statue of Liberty. No? That means I'm strong. Who did that? I don't know who does that. That means chicken wing.
Doggy.
What? Sit down.
What does
Sit down.
doggy overload mean?
Junkie overload. Okay, take a picture of you. Say cheers. Wow, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, let's go to Small World. And this is Bell's